Hey, what's going on? Puppy Pop Pop here. I wanted to show you the difference between a teddy bear Shih Tzu and a standard Shih Tzu. This is a standard Shih Tzu right here, and you can see by the nose, it's a flat face nose. This is a teddy bear Shih Tzu. This is mixed with a Bichon or a Maltese right here. So that's the difference. They face stick out a little bit further, but they're the same size, same texture, same hair quality. But that's the full Shih Tzu right there with the flat face, and this is a teddy bear Shih Tzu. So if you're interested, here we go. That's what you know. That's the difference between a teddy bear and a standard Shih Tzu. All right, peace.